I have something to share that I purchased on online here in the Philippines, which is the name of the online shop is Shopee, and I purchased this bit, a drill bit that can penetrate masonry, metal, and glass. So I did not yet try it, and today I will. I hope it will work firmly. And the price to this drill bit, multi-drill bit, I call it a multi-drill bit, is 250 PHP, or about below $5. And this is the neutral and live detector. And let's talk about this to my next video. And I purchased also cheapest MMA DC inverter, and according to this label, it's just MMA950. I did not yet try it, and today I will. I hope it will work firmly. And the price is $20. It's about 1,200 PHP. So today I'm going to test this MMA, this inverter, and also this one, a multi-drill bit. I call it a multi-functional drill bit. Let's have a test, guys. Wow, it can work firmly at the max ampere, and I reduce it. Try if it can weld up to 100 amp, and I turning off the thrust and hot buttons. Seems like it can weld to the lower current, so I adjust again to increase. Still the same result, and I increase again to the max level, then can weld. So increase again. That's nice. Now this cheap MMA inverter welding machine can firmly weld at the max current. No more sticking, as you can see, not like before. So at $20 DC inverter MMA, it's useful, and it can firmly weld. It's nice. I'm not a professional welder, so that's all I can do, but it worked. This MMA, it can firmly weld. So this one I try to make a hole on the middle, which is that middle is about 0.2 mm or 0.3, I'm not sure. No idea the diameter of this drill bit. filled. So it's just a hooks of this drill bit could use to the metals to create the holes. But I'll try this one in the concrete. Nice drill bit, it can penetrate the concrete and create the holes. I fill up the hole with multi-purpose glue so that the screw can hold firmly.